in the Netherlands. To control flooding, the government built the Delta Works, one of the biggest projects ever created. It is made up of 6 large dams, many rivers, and other barriers. Using this system of barrier, the country can control or stop most floods before they happen. Conclusion: due to climate change, severe weather events are happening more often around the world. The hazards that come with them are happening more often too. People are creating amazing inventions to help control and stop these hazards too. Floods will continue to be one of the most common hazards. The system and structures people have built can't stop every flood. However, they save many lives and large amounts of money every year. They can help more people feel safe when severe weather hits. Stay safe during a flood. Listen to storm and flood warning on the internet, radio, or TV. Move to high ground or higher floor in a building. Stay away from rivers, sources, drains, and other places that may flood. Keep your pets inside. Never walk or swim through a moving water during a flood. Don't use anything that plugs into a wall if it is wet. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.